In this video, you will learn how to add words to the core area in Unity 45, 60, 84, and 144 sequenced. Many core words are already stored in Unity sequenced. Remember, core words are the words we say most often, like I, go, because, again, and that. The core area is all of the rows below the activity row. It is outlined here in a green box. Core words are stored in icon sequences in the core area. An icon sequence is the order in which you touch Unity symbols to say a word. Sometimes individuals need to add a core word to the core area. In this example, I am going to add the word tough to the core area. The first step of adding a word is to first search to see if the word is already stored in Unity. I'm going to use Icon Tutor to search for the word tough. Icon Tutor is in the device activity in the top row. Open the device activity, then select Icon Tutor. Now type the word tough. And then select OK. You will notice the gray text box says no matches found. So we need to store this word in core. Exit Icon Tutor by selecting OK in the bottom right-hand corner. The next step is to ask yourself what part of speech is the word tough. Tough is an adjective. Adjectives in Unity are always stored under a core symbol and then on the 3 blue paintbrush keys. Let's use an existing word to understand this better. For example, the adjective hard is associated with the hammer because using a hammer is hard work. Select the hammer and then the first light blue location for hard. Next to it is the word harder, and finally hardest. So for the word tough, we have to come up with a similar plan. I'm going to associate the word tough with the hammer as well. But this time, instead of selecting the hammer once, I am going to select it twice, and then store the words tough, tougher, and toughest in these 3 locations. So now that we have a plan, let's do it. First, we need to enter the toolbox. Then select Store Core. It is a green key on the right-hand side of the screen. Now select the icon sequence for the word. In this example, I first need to select the hammer, and then the hammer again, and finally the first paintbrush key. You will see the icon sequence here. Now select OK towards the top right of the screen. From here, select Spell Message or Define Key Function. This is where we will type the word tough followed by a space. When finished, select OK in the bottom right-hand corner, and then OK again, and then finally the light blue Go to Home key at the top right of the screen. You can now find and say the word tough. Repeat these same steps for the words tougher and toughest. Thank you for learning how to store a core word in Unity 45, 60, 84, and 144 sequenced.